Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fully clean your Delonghi Magnifica Start. First things first, the machine is on, ready to make coffee. I just want to put some hot water through this little steam wand here. So I've got a container underneath and I'm just going to open this one up here. And I just want to rinse through a little bit of water there. We're going to be taking it apart to clean anyway. There we go. And now I'm going to dismantle a load of things and we're going to bring them over to the sink and give them a nice good clean. So first of all, we're going to be taking apart the steam one. So I'm going to grab this bit here and I'm going to be turning it in towards the machine this way and then pulling it down. You only need to turn it about 1/8 of a turn. So we're going to clean that in some nice warm water. This one here, I'm going to put my nails in here. Be careful, it might be a little bit warm because you've just used it. And I'm just putting this one down. We're also going to clean that as well. Don't lose the little rubber O-rings. If this is all blocked up with milk, you might find that the O-rings slid off and it might be left in here. So make sure that you have the little rubber O-ring that goes around that bottom part there, and also the one that goes around that part there. Right, okay, now that that's off, we're going to turn the machine off. You could have turned it off before that. So I'm just going to turn the machine off now. And after it's off, I'm going to unplug it from the mains. Okay, we're off. And I'm now unplugged from here. We're going to take out the tray at the bottom here. We're going to be cleaning all this up over at the sink. There's going to be a load of water in here. There will be like a coffee residue at the very bottom of this, so that's going to get cleaned in the sink. I'm going to mash this all up here and I'm going to recycle that. I put that in my garden for recycling. And we're going to be taking the infuser out. So we're going to be pushing it round to the side here and we're going to be taking out the water container. We're also going to be washing that in the sink. And we're going to lift this flap down like so. And we're going to press in the 2 red buttons to take out the infuser. So press in here and lift that out towards you. We're going to take this over to the sink and give this a nice good clean. Also, we're going to take out this bottom bit here as well and we're going to give that a wash. Now before we go over to the sink, I'm just going to bring you up to here. And if you make pre-ground coffee, you're going to find that in here will have quite a lot of coffee residue in the spouts here. So get yourself the little brush. It actually comes with the Delonghi coffee machine. If you've lost it, just use an old toothbrush. And I'm just going to be cleaning all the coffee away from there. Okay. Now I'm going to come back into here. Remember, the machine's off at the moment. And I'm just going to get rid of the coffee residue that's in here as well, because you will get coffee residue around about the place in here. Right, so that's looking quite clean in there. And basically, I'm just going to be going in here. You can see there's a load of coffee down at the bottom here. Even if you leave the tray in, there still might be residue of coffee down at the very bottom. Hence the reason I've taken out the tray already. Okay, so that's fine. If you want, you can take this lid off here and give this a nice good clean around the place. You can also rub a damp cloth around it. Now this machine is quite clean, but I am going to get a damp cloth and I'm just going to rub it around, make sure that I've got the dust and everything away from the actual machine itself. Also clean the steam wand with your blue cloth and then you can dry it when you're finished. So I've got some warm water here. I'm not using any detergents, washing up liquid or anything, just purely warm tap water. So I'm just going to give everything a nice good clean out. Now with this I'm going to separate out, and I'm also going to take out the float as well by just putting it upwards like so, and that will pop out. And you can see there's loads of old coffee residue down here. So I'm going to give all that a nice good clean. And to pop the float back on, just put it on like so and click it down into place. And make sure it moves freely. I'm also just cleaning out the little measuring cup for your pre-ground coffee. And when it comes to the steam ones, you want to be able to make sure you can see right the way through. So there's a little hole at the bottom there, and this one will have 2 holes on it. Make sure it's fully clean throughout. And now with the infuser, you can move it up and down here. Make sure it's clean here and all the way. When it goes down there, make sure it's all clean in here. Make sure that his arm here still moves. And we're going to be putting it in that position to make it easy to put back in. So like that, with that up top. And lastly, I'm going to empty all this out now because this is all dirty. You can see how much coffee residue came out there. And I'm just going to clean out the water reservoir here. I'm going to take the filter out and put that to one side. Obviously you can renew it if it's out of date. And I'm just cleaning this with warm water again. You want to make sure that that float mechanism there still is able to move up and down freely. Right, so that is it all clean now. I'm just going to put some fresh cold water in it. And I'm just going to give everything a little dry. Right, once you're happy with how dry everything is, we're going to put it back in the machine. So to put the infuser in, we're just going to line it up. Remember that this has to be up the top, so move these until they're like that, with that up the top there. And we're just going to put it in there until it clicks into place, like so. Close that lid, we can put the water back in, like so. Now we've got our little red container here, is going to go bottom left. That just goes into there, like that. The steam ones, just rotate that round and you will find with a little bit of upwards pressure it will find its own home. So rotate and then push it so the plastics meet. And then again with this, just gently rotate it and you will find its own home. And then just push it up and we're going to lock it by bringing it back towards us. So up, little bit of a turn back towards you to lock that into place. And then this is in here like so. And lastly, I just want to give this spout a clean. So I'm going to extend it fully down. I've got my cloth, I'm just cleaning it there. And also I want to actually clean the spouts themselves. So I'm just moving the cloth over it and giving them a nice clean. And I've got a little needle here, just in case they were ever so slightly blocked up. And there's like 4 quarters. That one there, that one there, that one there, and that one there. These are all completely clear anyway. And I'm going to do the same on this one. So there's no blockages there whatsoever. Just give that one more wipe down. There we go. So there we have it, it's all looking nice and clean and just like new again. So when it comes to the steam wand, I do that once a day. When it comes to the grounds tray, I do it as and when it needs emptying. And the water here, I will do every few days. But when it comes to the infuser and giving it an overall clean and the little nozzles down here, I do that around about once a month. So if you do it often, then it will keep the machine looking in tip-top condition. If this video has helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.